Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Amazon shopping account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your smartphone. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address or your phone number and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to change your password within your account, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom section, and from here tap on your account. This will now take you into your account settings page, from which underneath account settings, click on login and security. Now within this page, you will see your password. Go ahead and tap on the edit button at the right side, and you will first be asked to enter the current password that is set up within your account first. Go ahead and type in the password that you are currently using in order to log into your account, and then underneath within the new password box, you can type in your desired new password. Then type it in once again for confirmation underneath within the re-enter password box. And finally, you can click on the Save Changes button, which will now change your password on your Amazon shopping account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Amazon shopping account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.